Seem to have a little snow blocking the way out. And snow seems to be coming in, and there's an ice cube on the door handle. See if I can shove my way out the door. We're pretty drifted in here. Yeah, kind of socked in. I'm definitely not getting out this door. There we go. Okay, that is up to my knees. There are the stairs. And there are the cars. And it's still coming down. So I'm going back inside. Ginger! Ginger! Here comes the dog. Come on, Ginge! Ginger! Come on! Ginger! It's too deep for her. Ginger! Come on! Ginger, climb! Come on, Ginge, climb! Come on! Yep, having a little white out here. Ginger, come on! Ginger! 1, 2, 3. Good girl. Come on, hon. Come on. Come on, Ginge. Come on. Come on. Ginger? Good girl. Come on, you're doing it. You're doing it. And that's how deep the snow is here in Maine in one storm. Good girl. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're very good. You are something else. Wow. Let's get you in where it's warm. Come on.